Davinci Resolve is the most powerful free video editing software out there, period. And I'm going to show you how to upgrade to the latest version, Davinci Resolve 18, in just a couple of seconds. So if you click the link in the description, this will redirect you to the Blackmagic official website, and if you scroll just a little bit down, you can see Davinci Resolve 18 free download now, and that is where you want to click on. Now once you click that, you can see Davinci Resolve 18 beta version or Davinci Resolve Studio 18 beta version. And if you have the studio version, you of course want to select this one, and if you have the free version, you want to select this one. Now just choose the system that you're editing on. For me it is a Mac and I have the studio version, so I'm gonna click here. However, if you have the free version, that's totally fine. Just select Mac if you're on a Mac, select Windows if you're on Windows, or select Linux if you're editing on a Linux. Then you can click that and now this will pop up. You don't have to fill in any information here. You can just select a download only in the bottom left corner. And once I click on that, the download will automatically start. So now whilst Davinci Resolve 18 is downloading, we can actually prepare some steps for it to run best. So the first thing that I would recommend you to do is to back up your database. Just open up Davinci Resolve, and this is the window that you would normally see. And to get to your databases, all you want to do is in the top left corner where it says projects, you can click on that little icon, and this is my database. And right now for you, if you want to back up your database, which I would totally recommend, just select this button and then it will ask you where you want to back this up. And let's just go to my desktop and then just save as local database and then hit save, and then backup database, you want to select backup. And depending on how large your database actually is, this could take a while to back up. So my download just finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click that file and this will open up, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click install Davinci Resolve 18, and then what you have to do is just follow the instructions, and then it'll just take a few seconds to write all the files. We're done. We've just successfully installed Davinci Resolve 18, so we can close that, move that to the trash, close that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up Davinci Resolve. So right immediately as we open this up, it will ask you to upgrade your project library, and once you click that button, your whole other project library will be imported.